Given the infinite arithmetic sequence 5, 1, -3, and so on, all the way to -83 and -87, it's finite, so it does end, like our lives. 2.1, write down the fourth term of the sequence, so 5 to 1, so that's a -4, 1 to -3, also a -4. So the answer here, quite easy, -3 minus 4, it's going to be equal to -7. That's 2.1. 2.2, calculate the number of terms in the sequence. So let us use our arithmetic sequence formula. This is what it looks like. It's coming straight from your formula sheet. You do not need to memorize it. Our last term is -87. All right, our first term is 5 that has been given, plus n minus 1. We don't know what n is. That's our unknown. We need to calculate it. And our common difference is going to be -4. So let's simplify it. -4 times n is, well, -4n. -4 times -1 is a +4. And let us isolate our n values. So this -4n on the right-hand side, if we take it over to the left, it becomes a +4n. And this -87, if we take it over to the right, it becomes a +87. So that's going to be 5 plus 4 plus 87. So in other words, 87 plus 9 if we take it over. So that's going to give us 96. Therefore, n is equal to 96 divided by 4. N is equal to 24. And that's it. Okay, please take it down. And I'm going to erase the screen and we're going to have a look at question 2.3. Question 2.3, calculate the sum of all the negative numbers in the sequence. So the sum of all the negative numbers. So we do not look at the 5, we do not look at the 1. So it's from -3 all the way to -87. So we can use a pretty cool formula here. Our new sequence is going to be -3, -7, ... all the way until -87. So we know in our original sequence, right, there were 24 terms, and we've taken 2 away. So our new n is going to be 22. So we use our SN formula. Let's use the short one. So n over 2 in brackets, your first term plus your last term. This is the quick method. You don't have to use the long one that's in your formula sheet. This is just a nice one. You can only use it if you know what your first term is as well as your last term. Okay, so that's going to be 22 over 2. In brackets, -3 is our new first term. That's our new a, plus the -87 that we have. So the plus and the minus is just going to be a minus. Plug this into your calculator, and your answer is going to be -990. And that's it. That's the question.